Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the Souls-like. So, if we move over to Souls-like, you'll see that we have quite a few changes again. Um, we have the Souls-like cost, and then this one just says Souls-like. So spendable. This goes over the attributes for spending because it's a bit different than the point allocation because you're spending experience points or souls or whatever you want to name it, instead of points. Obviously, we still have the secondary progression points for those that want to do skill points. So milestones. So at 1,000 XP they get a talent point. At 10,000 XP they get another one. Whatever you want. Um, this is how you get them skill points through experience gained. Um, there is also uh, events that you can call to have skill points. These points be gained through whatever you want, killing a boss, completing a quest, whatever. Same goes for any other way of getting points. They can be used for that. And then, of course, the Souls-like spending rules is exactly like the other ones. So, what the attribute is, what the skill point, what the point is that it's called for spending, and all of that information. Now, if we come back up here and we do Souls-like cost formula, we have exponential. This is an aggressive one. Use it for how you want. And then we have cubic polynomial. So this is more Dark Souls-like. Um, and you have all of the math information that you need here. Quadratic for moderate scaling. This is more Diablo style for the scaling type. Custom per purchase. So you can use the data table if you want. And then custom class, again, there's a custom class for the formula that I've made that we'll go over in a future episode. So come back in here to this. So of course you'll choose the expendable attributes and all that jazz. It's pretty straightforward, especially from the last two videos. There's a lot of things that were identical or similar. Something that you'll notice specifically, use per attribute scaling. So this, if you leave it at false, is default Souls-like. So when you spend 1 point on strength, then the next point, even if it goes into agility, costs more. Or if you turn it on, then each of them have their own individual. So if you spend 1 point on strength at 100 and you go to spend 1 point on agility, it's also 100 because you haven't spent any points there yet, as an example. Enable XP loss on death. So, dropping your souls scenario here. Death XP loss percentage. So, how much do you lose when you die? Enable XP recovery so they can enable it. Death marker radius at 200. So, I'm giving you everything that you need for every type of leveling, even the Souls-like. I do encourage you guys to make sure you fully understand these things, and we will definitely be going over how to utilize these rules in future episodes when I go over the component and the subsystem and its libraries. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.